Let's name this compound. If you're given a compound like this and you're asked to name it, the first thing you do is to identify the longest continuous carbon chain that includes the functional group. So the functional group here is the triple bond, which is this. Now we know where the functional group is. We're going to identify the longest continuous chain and we count from the side that is closest to the functional group. So meaning that my 1 is this. Okay, so this is carbon 1. This here is a carbon. So we need to be careful. Alkynes, triple bonds are known as alkynes, and alkynes are linear. Okay, so what you're seeing here is C to C bond. So this is going to be carbon 2, and this is carbon 3. Then we're going to go 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that is the longest continuous carbon chain. So this part would be the branch or the substituent. And if we're counting it, this is 1, 2, 3. A 3-carbon branch is known as propyl. Okay? Prop represents 3 carbons in organic chem. So YL, alkyl group, will end with YL. So together, you have 3-carbon alkyl group. Now, we start with the branch. So this propyl group is attached to carbon 3. So we're going to say 3-propyl. And then we have 8 carbons as the longest continuous chain. And the prefix for 8-carbon is oct. The alkyne, the triple bond, started from carbon 1. So the position is 1. So oct 1. And then the suffix for an alkyne is YNE. So the name of this compound is 3-propyl oct 1-ine. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.